Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted guide for smart shopping. Today, we're taking a close look at what we're calling the best electric kettle cordless stainless steel fast boil, the COMFEE stainless steel electric kettle. If you're in the market for a sleek, durable, and quick boiling electric kettle, stay tuned, because this one might just be your next kitchen favorite. Let's begin with the design. The COMFEE electric kettle boasts a premium, polished stainless steel finish, both inside and out. The interior is made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, which is both rust-resistant and BPA-free. Not only does it look clean and modern on your countertop, but it also assures you that your hot water is safe from harmful chemicals. The kettle has a clear water window so you can monitor the water level at a glance, practical and stylish. Now, performance is where this kettle really shines. Equipped with a powerful 1500-watt concealed heating element, it brings 1.7 liters of water to a boil in just 5 to 7 minutes. That's significantly faster than most stovetop kettles and even quicker than a microwave, which makes this ideal for morning routines or those times when you just need hot water, fast. But the COMFEE kettle isn't just about speed. It's also built with safety in mind. Featuring a professional thermostat control system, it automatically shuts off once the water reaches a rolling boil. And in case you ever forget to fill it, it includes boil-dry protection, which ensures the kettle won't heat if there's no water inside. It's a thoughtful touch that keeps you and your appliance safe. Ergonomically, the design is user-friendly. The cool touch handle ensures a safe grip, and with the simple press of a button, the lid pops open smoothly, reducing the risk of steam burns. It sits on a 360-degree swivel base with a UL-certified power cord, making it easy to lift, pour, and place it back from any angle. Great for both left-handed and right-handed users. Cleaning is often a hassle with electric kettles, but not here. The COMFEE kettle comes with a removable nylon filter that catches any loose particles, and it's easy to clean. To maintain the inside, you can use a mix of white vinegar and baking soda or simply wipe it down with a bottle brush and a microfiber cloth. It's low maintenance, which is always a plus in any kitchen gadget. And let's not forget that satisfying LED light that glows blue when the kettle is heating. It's a subtle but modern touch that adds a bit of visual flair to your kitchen and lets you know the kettle is working. In terms of value, it's hard to beat. It's affordably priced, especially considering the features it packs. You're getting speed, safety, and style in a single product. Plus, it comes from COMFEE, a brand known for making quality, budget-friendly appliances. To wrap things up, the COMFEE 1.7-liter stainless steel electric kettle is a no-brainer for anyone who values speed, safety, and simplicity. It's ideal for tea lovers, coffee drinkers, busy parents, college students. Really, anyone who needs hot water at the press of a button. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more smart reviews and product deep dives. See you in the next video.